Students, see, today we are going to see the reading part of our lesson number 13 from your textbook, page number 82, our human resources. See students, keep your fingers. We have read about natural resources, but do you know that human beings are the most important resources? This is because natural resources need to be converted into useful things. It is only through human skills and education that we can find, extract and then put different natural resources to use. Since independence, significant progress has been made in India in the fields of agriculture and industry. Similarly, educational facilities have been provided to make the people of our country literate. Researches by scientists and development in all spheres of the life have improved the standard of living. Still, till a lot more need to be done because half the population is still deprived of even the most basic needs: foods, clothing and shelter. The biggest reason of poverty in our huge population, the population of India is more than 100 crores. The distribution of population is also uneven. Some areas are thickly populated while others are thinly populated. The average density of population in India is 324 people per square kilometer. More than half of our total population lives in 5 states. These states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Uttar Pradesh has the highest population and Sikkim has the lowest. When population increases, we face shortage of food, school, college, medical facilities and employment opportunities, and the list is endless. As a result, maximum population remains malnourished and uneducated. They suffer from deficiencies, page number 83, and poor health, which is further aggravated by employment problems. So poor people remain poor and continue to suffer. 3 out of 4 people in India live in villages. Life in the villages is tough for an average farmer. If crop production is not good, then he and his family have to suffer the whole year. As the result, the villagers move to cities in search of jobs. Such people are called migrants. Due to lack of proper education, they don't even get good jobs and end up working on daily wages and in unhygienic conditions. We all have many tribes like the Gonds, Bhils, Santals and Minas, who still depend on forest and forest products. Due to lack of education, their standard of living is very poor. However, the government of India has taken certain steps to solve the immediate problems of the people. Some of them are as follows. Houses and lands are being given to the landless. Dispensaries and health centers are being opened in rural areas. Loans through banks are being given to start cottage industries. Free education and midday meals in school is a big step towards imparting education and keeping the children healthy. More new schools are being opened. People are being educated to have some small families to remove poverty. Employment opportunities are being generated for the jobless.